हेलो क्यूटीज, वेलकम बैक टू सिमरन्स व्लॉग। आज का दिन थोड़ा सा स्पेशल है क्योंकि मेरे ऑफिस में सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे एंड मैं ऑलमोस्ट ऑफिस पहुंच चुकी हूँ। दिखाती हूँ आपको आज क्या क्या हुआ, कैसे सेलिब्रेट किया, क्या प्लानिंग करी हुई है और कैसे हम सेलिब्रेट करेंगे वुमेन्स डे को। लेट्स मेक इट स्पेशल वन। मुझे नहीं खाना, मैं तो नीचे खाऊंगी ना, मैं तो आई इसलिए।
कुछ मिले ना,
मिलेगा ना, खाने को नहीं मिलेगा।
नहीं
तो ये लोग इतना बड़ा वो भी लगा, इसे पूछना विकास से कुछ तो होगा। विकास नीचे खाने को क्या मिलेगा?
अच्छा हो ना 35
celebration. I'm happy to see all the smiling faces here, ready to see that something exciting is gonna come up. First of all, I would like all of you to please give a huge round of applause for our chairperson, Mr. Vinod Chandok, joining us, and for all of you who are present here today. So, sir, I would like you to address the audience.
Well, there's going to be no address. Good afternoon. Firstly, not for my being here, but for all of you being here, because I'm always here. Okay?
For all the fathers in the room who have a girl child, it was a very unique relation. And for all the ladies and women in the room, you know what I'm speaking about, because it's not that your father or me as a father will always agree to my child, but you know, at least I feel I am connected to her more than I think I would be. So my life completely changed when she was born. So, you know, that's the first thing that Mr. Chandok mentioned, how do we change things happening in our home? And for me, that was the first thing that changed in my life, where I became a parent and I became a father of a girl child. And I realized, okay, fine, now I have to plan things differently, because it's not about providing, caring, understanding. It's about changing the way we live as male members of society, and also giving that respect, recognition and encouragement to the women in our lives. So I'll pause there. Miraji, I'll pass to you for your thoughts, and it's going to be open mic, so we'll just keep chatting and sharing things on either work and personal side.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. The entire biodata has been shared finally. So I would just like to start with this small story, that in that times of 80s, there was no concept of official interpreters in the society. So children like us who are CODAs, child of deaf adult, or SODAs, who are sibling of deaf adult, used to accompany their parents or siblings. And I was fortunate enough that my parent trusted me that I can do it very well. So this is how I started my journey of giving back to the society. And initially I used to feel quite scared, because sign language was my mother tongue. So I only knew sign language as a mother tongue, not as a formal language. But I never at that time thought that one day my identity will be working for the deaf community, sign language. This will be Meera Bhatia will be is equal to a sign language expert, or a person who is working for the welfare and the growth of speech and hearing impaired. And this is how my journey began. And after so many jobs, different professions, I finally one day decided that I will form an organization which will work for the education of speech and hearing impaired children, because I had in
the GD team, I manage all the promotional content for the upskilling courses that we have there. And so happy to share that this is my first job at Grant Thornton, and it's been almost more than 2.5 years now. And I'm really happy to share that this journey has been rewarding, because I have been a person who has had dreams since the very start. So when I joined school, my parents asked me to, score good marks. When I came to college, my parents told me you have to join clubs. And they were not pressurizing me, but what they wanted for me was that I should never underestimate myself. And that is what I have seen here at GT also. That I have actually started to become the person that I have dreamed of. And I would urge and encourage everybody to, just focus on one thing, that you are the person who can transform yourself into the one you dream of. So on this note, let's begin our celebration for International Women's Day. Can we have some huge energy on the floor? A huge round of applause for everybody who's here. Great. Happy to see that. So now on this occasion, let us talk about one important thing. That is DENI. Diversity
is a conscious choice we make every day. A choice to step in for someone, to lift them, to support them, and to open the door wider to make space for every voice to be heard.
The Jampura numbers, Akash, they're not matching up. I've highlighted them and fixed them, but I'm not confident enough.
Relax, Radhika.
We have a meeting in 30 minutes, and I still need to work on this, buddy.
You're thinking too much.
I know, but I hope Jay is in a good mood, actually. This is critical. He has already shared his feedback multiple times. He might get furious if I go just last minute.
Radhika, why the stress? He coaches so many people daily. He won't even remember the feedback he has shared with you. All you have to do is submit the report and be done.
But the data...
Listen, let's go. We are already late.
So how's the report shaping up?
Actually, Jay,
But it thrives on the warmth and dedication of its people. The overwhelming stack of files and papers on your desk feels less daunting because someone, often unnoticed, is lending a silent helping hand. These are people who arrive before anyone else and stay long after others have left. When exhaustion sets in and deadlines loom, a cup of coffee appears, right when you need it. Sometimes even before you realize you do. We all have experienced those stressful moments buried in files and anxiety. And magically, the document you desperately needed lands right in your hands. While most focus on the immediate wins and fill the shelves with today's awards, someone else is making room for future triumphs. Preparing quietly because they know more success is on the horizon. The office clock may signal the end of the workday, but their responsibilities continue.
hello.
They recognize that getting home safely is just as important as arriving on time every morning. When you're drowning in numbers and data, they quietly do the necessary, helping clear your mind, reminding you that it's the people who bring life and energy into the office. In moments when your laptop is about to die during a crucial presentation, a gentle knock on the door delivers the rescue you needed urgently. While we may believe we run the workplace,
Next we have Karan Panti.
So after the event got over, we gave a small token of appreciation to our office boys and the amazing ladies in our office who help us every single day in our daily work life. Sometimes we get so busy that we forget to say thank you, but today was all about appreciating their efforts and support they give us every day. It felt really nice to see their smiles when they received the appreciation. Small gestures like these actually means a lot. And now, after all the celebrations and appreciation, थोड़ी सी पेट पूजा तो बनती है guys. We have been offered pizza boxes and some cold drinks, so everyone is just relaxing, chatting and enjoying the food together.
प्रीति आपको कैसा लग रहा है इतना सब खाना देख के?
मुझे खाने से ज्यादा इवेंट देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा. इट इज अ नाइस इवेंट. Actually,
सुषमा,
it's
तुम्हें
not
कैसा लगा
about
खाना
food all
देख
the
के?
time, Simran. It's not about food. देखा. She is interested in food.
Actually उन्होंने असलियत बोली. इनका कैमरा खुलते ही इनको ऐसा लग रहा है कि
It is not about food all the time, my dear. It is not about food all the time.
आ जाओ खाना खाने.
आ जाइए इवेंट के लिए.
खाना खाने. मुझे कहती है मैं बोर हो गई ना तो मैं 4 बजे उठ के चली जाऊंगी.
Overall, it was such a wholesome day today. If you really like my vlog, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.